Hi, this is Bob Pellerin, Ctobob, and today I'll be unboxing a Lenovo A595. This is a ThinkPAD, and it's a 15.6 inch laptop. So let's go ahead and take a look. Obviously, in this time of viruses, a lot of people are using laptops, and so we're seeing a lot of demand for these. So right out of the box, obviously you'll find power. You're going to see the power supply here. It's basically a two-pronged connector. That's pretty standard. And the other end, I'll give you the first hint of what you'll notice on the bottom, is a USB-C connector. Those are more and more standard, quite modern, and it's a 65 watt power supply on here. Let's go ahead and put this on the side, and let's take a quick look. Of course, there's a bit of paper, very minimal. Got a lot of foam around it, which is good for transportation. So let's go ahead and open this. There's a safety seal on there. And it comes with Windows 10 Professional. So let's take a quick look. So the unit it's pretty thin. This is a lower end. So you'll notice there's traditional USB ports on there. There's the USB-C that we were discussing earlier. This is an HDMI port. Let's take a quick look at the back. So the back is clean, there's nothing there. And the other side has a USB afterwards. And to my surprise, there's an actual network connector there. So this should be gigabit Ethernet. Let's go ahead and open it. Take off this protective sleeve. Like most Lenovo products, even though it has a trackpad, you'll notice that it also has, well, these are the buttons for the left and right. It also has the old track stick like the old IBMs used to have. So that's continued. This particular model comes with a Ryzen 5. In this case, the model is a 3500U or 3500U, and it's got a 256 gig SSD in there with 8 gigs of RAM. So as I mentioned, the display is a 15.6 inch. It'll give you a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Please visit us at www.ctobob.com. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and to subscribe. That really helps us out. Thank you.